Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a couple things here to show you. They are from Onedaysaving. Thank you, Onedaysaving, for sending these. They did contact me and ask if I wanted to show some things on my channel, and I said sure. They have since offered some deals, and let me tell you a little bit about those while we open up the first painting. To save 5%, you can put in a code at checkout, Mindy05OFF. I will link that below. It is not an affiliate link. I make nothing. It's not, it's not a commission type thing. It's just 5% off for you. Okay. She also wanted to let you know that there's free shipping on orders over $50. So if you spend $50, you'll get free shipping. And if you spend under $50, it would either be $3.99 to ship or $4.99 to ship, depending on exactly where you live. All right, so that's pretty good. The shipping's pretty decent. I like that. They are having a deal right now on their website. If you spend $50, you'll get 2 free gifts. I'm not certain what the gifts are, but I'm certain if you go to the website, that deal will be posted on their website as well. I will link all of that below, their website. I'll link these paintings, of course, and that code. All right, so here's what you get. Your basic toolkits, you get 2 of them because this is a large size painting. All right, I got 1 large and 2 small things. All right, this is a pretty pliable canvas. It's not real stiff or anything. I like that. It's got 24 colors. It is picture printed. Here's the drill field as you can see it. Well, you can't. The camera won't focus. There we go. What do you think? Doesn't look bad. Looks a little busy, but that's because there's a lot of confetti in it. All right, so what do we get? Beautiful maple leaves, red maple leaves. And what is that? That's a paw. That is a great big paw. Yeah, okay. You ready? Let's show you the rest of it. It is pretty cool. Look at it. Look at it, right? It's a long one. Has a legend on both sides. It's called a 40 by 80. There's a legend down here and a legend up here, top and bottom, opposite sides. DMC codes. This is all letters, it appears. All letters for the symbols. Isn't he cool? He's so majestic. One of my favorites. I love, love, love me a white tiger, okay? Let's see how this measures out here from 35. So it's going to be about 5 centimeters shy of being a true measurement. True measurement would be the whole entire canvas, not the picture. I don't hate that. I mean, I'm used to that now. That's what, most of these sites are. They're like 4 to 5 centimeters different. So yeah, isn't he beautiful though? Look at all that blue background and the red maple leaves just popping out. And he's just like chilling. Hey, I'm it. Isn't he beautiful? He is so pretty. So, so pretty. Let's look at his drills. Big old bag of drills. Okay. Let's get into them. Sure. It's always the challenge. Where do we open them? I can hardly wait to see what blue they use, because that blue background is gorgeous. Now, I noticed right off the bat that these drills do not have DMC codes on the bags, and that's fine. They're on the canvas. So this looks like 154. It is. That really dark burgundy color. It's so pretty. Look at the pretty colors that are going to make up those leaves. Look at all these grays. There's 2 bags for number 5. Look at that purple. Looks like 550. It is. 2 number 9s. Oh, there's the blue. That's a pretty, pretty blue for the background. Look at that. Gorgeous. These drills look really nice. Everything looks good and clean. And here's some of the red. It's kind of an orangish color for the leaves. We got that. And then what do we finish up with here? Let's see. kind of a peachy color. It's all going to blend together in those leaves. The darker colors, the lighter colors. Couple bags of number 20. Looks like 38.65 or let's see. Oh, 37.56, sorry. With the, it's got the little green tint to it. Nice. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. I love him. I saw that and I was like, you know, yeah, I'll get that one. All right, let's slide him over there and let's see what else we got. He's very majestic. I opened everything for ease of access. Again, the softer, kind of more flexible canvas. I like that. This one's a little stiffer, but still not quite as stiff as some. Toolkit, drills. Okay, and here's what we got. Ooh, look, we have words. We have letters. We have 20 colors, again with the DMC codes. Here's the drill field again. Let's try again. Camera, try again. I always have to hit the little button to focus. Picture printed. Looks nice. And we have words we can read. Hope is the only thing stronger than fear. Yep, it looks good, doesn't it? Hope is the only thing stronger than fear. Stronger's a little wonky right in here with the T and the R, but it's not bad. But this pretty owl, look at all of his colors. Oh my gosh, he's pretty, isn't he? You know, I'm into owls. You know that. I'm into owls. The fact that I have owls that live right outside my window, you know, is another thing. Every night I hear the owls, you guys. Sometimes very close. Anyhow, I never see them. I've seen a silhouette up in the tree one night, but okay. Again, the drills are the same as these, it looks like. Yep, they're the exact same drills as these are. Okay, well, here's the colors. Black, lots of purples, reds, nice, some green, burgundy, some blues, greens, very pretty. These drills look great. I really do like these drills, they look nice. There's our colors. Okay, what do you think about this one? I loved the sentiment because hope is the only thing that's stronger than fear. Yep. Sorry. Okay, let's move on. Okay. Last one. And again, a full drill. I got all full drill here. I don't know if they must have had some special drills, but I just didn't get any. Maybe I figured I had enough already. Okay, come on. This one is a stiff canvas. And look, it's fighting me. Look, see, it's fighting. It doesn't want to lay flat. I'm gonna make it though. We must lay flat so that people can see you. I'm just gonna fold it back on those creases. It's a stiff one, let me tell you. It's got 18 colors, I can see that. Okay, come on. Okay, we're just gonna manhandle this puppy. It's poured glue, I'm not gonna hurt it. We're just gonna get over that little hump right there. That crease. Okay, come on. Oh, boy. Yep, okay. There's one right there. It doesn't want to give. Okay. See, look at that big crease right there. See it? See the big crease right there? Mm-hmm. All right. Let's see if it'll lay flat. Kinda. Kinda, but not really. Okay. You know, we're going to just do this. I don't really do this often on camera anymore, but I want him to lay flatter, and maybe this will help. Okay, because he's really cool. Sorry for the noise. All right, it is helping, so it's worth the minute that it's taken me to to do this. Here's that big, heavy crease right here. That's, okay. Here we go. Much better. It still needs a little work, but at least you can see it. I loved this. I loved this. It is definitely fall and pumpkins, but those colors, I just loved this image for fall. I love the white pumpkins. I love the blue in it. I thought it was super cool, right? Different, unique, loved it. It is picture printed. It's pretty cool. It wouldn't take long to do. It's got a lot of color blocking. Look at all of the sky here is color blocking. A lot of color blocking on the pumpkins. The confetti would simply be in the leaves. That would be fast to work up. Okay, I started watching somebody new on YouTube, and she does coastal crafts. I have to remember her name. If I can remember her name. It's pretty cool. She does all these different things, pumpkins and scarecrows and whatnot, in like coastal colors, and that's kind of what that reminds me of. It's pretty cool. I like it. Legend on both sides, 18 colors, DMC codes are on the canvas. Okay. Oh, and this has different drills. This is the drills that have the DMC code right on the package. These are probably my favorite drills to come in this type of kit. It tells you the DMC number, number 1 on the canvas, a whole bunch of other stuff that I don't know what it is, but that's your kit number right there. A1116. So it's got all the information on your drills, which I really like that. Anyhow, here's our colors. Grays, some purple. Love this. That is such a pretty color. It's gonna just be beautiful. Little tiny bit of orangey color. Some pretty pink. That's gonna go in the pumpkin. It's gotta go in the pumpkin. Yeah. So is that. Are these the colors of the pumpkin? Interesting. More blues. Ooh, there we go. Pretty. That's going to be in the background, I bet. Maybe it's in the pumpkin. Let's see. Nope, it's in the pumpkin. This white pumpkin is going to have this. Wow. The background too, but the pumpkin as well. Interesting. All right. Well, I like that. I really think that one's pretty cool. What do you think? It's different. It's unique. I love it. Love it. All right. Okay. That's what I got from Onedaysaving. Thank you so much for sending these so I could show them to everybody. Look below for that discount code and the information, and then of course the links to these items, and go see what they've got. See if there's something there that you're interested in. Free shipping over $50. That's pretty good, and pretty cheap shipping if it's under 50. Over 50 is free. Under was like $3.99 or $4.99. Pretty good deal. All right. Thanks so much, everybody, for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I hope you come back and see more videos. If you are new here, consider subscribing so that you can come see all the stuff, all the videos, and you'll know what I'm doing. All right. Yeah. Thank you, everybody, so much for all that you do. I appreciate it greatly. All right. I hope everybody has a great day. And you know what? I'm going to wander out to my garden because, you know, I told you, I found pumpkins growing out behind my garden. Don't know how they got there, but I have at least two pumpkins. They're not going to be this color, though. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.